Helo, croeso i'r Clinic Ffliw. Welcome to the Flu Clinic.
My name's Dr Heather Cox and I'm a GP here in Church Surgery in Aberystwyth. My fellow GPs in the surgeries across the North Ceredigion have nominated me to take you through this short video showing how flu clinics will be different this year. So it's more important than ever to have a flu vaccination this year. This is because if you had flu and COVID-19 at the same time, there's a high chance that you would be really ill. So for your safety, we need to get you through our buildings as quickly and efficiently as possible. And there's a few things you can do to help us with this. First of all, only come if you're well. If you're feeling at all ill on the day, please don't come. We need you to come at the right time, so you will be given an appointment, and please turn up as close as you can to that appointment time. If you turn up without an appointment, we won't be able to see you. We'd like you to attend ideally on your own, and ideally with minimum amount of bags or coats. Before coming into our buildings, please put on a well-fitting face covering. And it would also help us if you have on a short sleeved shirt. When you come into the building, our staffs may check your temperature and they will be giving you some sanitizer for your hands. So the staff may look a bit different this year. We may be wearing scrubs and our face masks and other PPE. Staff will ask you some questions when you come in, and then they'll be guiding you through the building. You'll notice there may be signs or arrows, but please try and keep the 2-metre distancing wherever you can. But again, that will be made clear to you on the day. A big change this year is that once you've had your vaccine, you do not need to wait for 10 minutes. You'll be able to leave the building straight away. For the majority of patients, having had their flu vaccine, they feel fine. Occasionally, some people have a sore arm and some people have a mild flu-like illness afterwards. So in summary, our aim this year is to get you through our buildings as quickly and safely as possible. We look forward to seeing you soon.